This is the ramp that I built for Chiquita. And we have a covered awning up here. Can't see it very good. So that when it snows, she can come out and go potty. And she doesn't get, she can go potty and we don't have a problem. Come on, sweetie. There's your water. Okay, Chiquita. Come on, sweetheart. Come down and drink your water. Go potty. She prefers warm water when she drinks water. And she usually pees. Go potty. Go potty. She usually pees as soon as she drinks. Yep, there she goes. Good girl. Good thing we came out to go potty, huh, sweetheart? Yeah. Look at this snow. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. And I'm just going to kind of turn around so you can see there's my car that's buried. And we're going to watch Chiquita go back up the ramp. There she goes. Happy camper. Didn't have to go in the snow. One spoiled pig. That's okay. We love our baby. In the warm house she goes. Now, look at this snow. Oh my God. We have at least a foot here. It's amazing. I see Cricket over there. Hi, Cricket. This is fun, huh? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that garbage can over there. That's more than a foot. That's like 14 inches. Look at my car. Huh. Can't even tell it's a Camaro. That's okay. Here's our other ramp. But it's there's nobody going nowhere. Good thing. Look at this chair out there. Amazing. Jesus, you are wonderful. You are amazing. Thank you for the snow. We love you. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.